Welcome back to my channel everyone. So today I'm going to show you Moza Mini MX2 smartphone gimbal. So this is a predecessor of the previous Moza Mini MX, and what makes this gimbal different is the Autosense smartphone mode. Autosense phone holder can precisely clamp and release your phone automatically and provide you with an hands-free shooting experience. And this was the first smartphone gimbal to introduce this. So this is going to be a long video, so if you're getting bored you can skip to the different chapters down below, and if you're getting bored again you can probably skip this video. So with no further delay we can move to the unboxing part. The package contains two manuals. I usually throw manuals away, but this is the first time I'm using a gimbal, so this manual really helps to understand the steps and features of the gimbal. They also provided a wrist strap, a storage pouch to carry the gimbal, and a mini tripod. It also contains a USB-C charging cable with it. I missed it somewhere, anyways you can use any USB-C type cable for charging. Now looking at the gimbal, it has a spiral folded design. Because of this design you can fold your gimbal, put it in a pouch and carry it everywhere. It is made of hard plastic, build quality and design is very good. It has three different locks. You can easily unlock this by swinging in clockwise direction. It has a zoom in out buttons, a function button to turn on and off the gimbal, a joystick is provided for the movement in all directions, and a trigger button to unlock different modes. It also has a LED light indicator which shows the charging and battery levels. On the right you can see a USB-C charging port. On the phone holder you can see the sensor. It is the one which detects the phone and adjusts the gimbal for you. It is also equipped with the 1x4-inch expansion interface. It can connect to a tripod, telescopic expander or any other accessories. The gimbal weighs around 423 grams and has a load weight of 280 grams, means it can easily hold phone up to 280 grams. That is all about the overview of the camera. Now we can look how to set up this gimbal. First of all, you need to unlock the gimbal and fix the tripod. Now long press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the gimbal. The phone holder will open automatically. Place the phone in the center of the phone holder. The phone holder will clamp automatically when a mobile phone is sensed. Make sure to keep the phone at the center of the phone holder and also your camera facing in the left side of your view. Now your gimbal is ready and all set to shoot. This is a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer and the stabilization works really well. This is a video which I took from iPhone 13. And this is the same video which I took in iPhone 13 with the gimbal on. You can see the shakiness in the first video, and in the second video it's still shaky, but it's like a wave-like movement that goes up and down. Overall the stabilization works really well. The tripod they provided here is very useful. It fits firmly to the ground. It also provides an extra support and grip to your hands. It really helps in taking hyperlapse and time-lapse videos. Now we can have a look at the buttons of the gimbal. Press and hold the plus and minus button to zoom in and out. Double click these buttons will automatically zoom in and out to maximum. This is incredibly useful when you are trying to create those vertigo shots or those dolly zoom shots where the background compresses and expands with the subject. By default the gimbal is in pan mode. You can switch into pan and tilt mode by pressing the plus button. Press on the minus button to enable the FPV mode in which all the axes are unlocked. Single click to capture the photo or to record the video. Double click to switch between photo and video. Triple click to switch from horizontal to vertical and vice versa. In this way you can take portrait videos. On the top you can see a rocker switch or joypad. It helps to move in all directions from left to right to top to bottom. And in FPV mode this is used to rotate your phone. On the back you can see the trigger key. Single click and hold will lock all the axes of the gimbal and keep the phone steady. Double click and hold will open up the sports mode or top speed mode, in which all the motors and axes will be at full speed, and this helps for creating fast moving object videos. And it has another feature called Inception Mode to take videos like this. To do this, enable the FPV mode and use the rocker switch here to rotate the phone to maximum of 270 degrees. It is really cool and it really helps to create those cinematic shots. Next thing you need to do is actually the first thing you needed to do is to download the Moza Genie app. Go to the Play Store or App Store to download the Moza Genie app and connect it to your gimbal. Turn on the Bluetooth and location and it connects easily. Inside the app you can control the resolution, the frame rate. Also you can go to Pro mode and control the shutter speed, ISO, white balance by yourself. You can change the panning speed, you can switch to FPV mode, pan and tilt or any other modes. Also you can enable face recognition here. Just draw a rectangle to track your face. This tool is very helpful for bloggers out there. It just keeps you in the center and you don't need to do anything. The gimbal will automatically tracks you. The tracking will depend upon the phone you are using. Next is the gesture control. You can start or stop recording your video by using a simple hand signals. There are also inbuilt filters here, so we can choose if any needed. Next they have an add-on called the Magic Mode. In this mode they have 10 different templates. You can select any template you need and they will give the instructions to hold the gimbal. The gimbal will capture everything for you and will give you the final output. This really helps you and it shows different ways you can use this gimbal. I mean, if you are a beginner, this really helps to find different shots and different angles to capture with this gimbal. And the battery lasts for 24 hours. It needs 2.5 hours to fully charge and it's charged by using a USB-C cable. After you have done the work with the gimbal, hold the power plus trigger switch to unclamp the phone. After taking out the phone, the clamp will close automatically and it will shut down. Fold it, put it in the pouch and keep it safe. So this was the first time I'm using a gimbal and I have no experience with the gimbals before, but this Moza Mini MX2 made it easier for me to understand. Just spend some time with the features and techniques and you are ready to go. Because I'm not a photographer, so I'm not highly recommending you to buy this product. This cost me around 9,000 Indian rupees and I will put a link in the description down below. That's all about the video. If I missed anything or if I made any mistakes in this video, please do mention in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, subscribe and see you soon.